This expansive open floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, and a large flex space/office, all on one level. Lennar built Santa Fe floor plan with 2,576 square feet and features a 3-car garage. The main living area is an open concept with a beautiful island perfect for cooking, dining and entertaining guests all together in an open space. From the main living space, enter the master suite to find a beautifully designed space featuring a large bathroom with separate double sinks and an oversized walk-in closet. Another awesome feature is the 4th bedroom with ensuite perfect for guests' privacy. The master bath and the ensuite both have added glass shower doors. This large corner lot is fully fenced. Check out the beautiful Ventana community with resort-style pool, playground and more, all in a convenient location. Call today to view this home in person.